Hey everybody, it's Ali Flores with OrlandoVacations.com, and if you've been watching our videos, I really appreciate it. And you know what? You guys are amazing. I have a question. Will you continue to watch our videos and make me the happiest host ever? Okay, as you've guessed, this episode is going to have to deal with the best spots to propose or have a gender reveal. So, you're planning on a gender reveal at Walt Disney World. That's awesome. Congratulations. Let's go over some of the best spots to go about having that proposal or gender reveal at Disney World. Now, while many locations can get interchanged depending on whether you're looking to do a gender reveal or proposal, we're going to start off with the best places for proposals. I don't know if you're a romantic like I am. I'm looking forward to this video. Now, the first proposal spot that we suggest, which everyone probably would suggest, is right there in front of the classic Cinderella Castle at Disney's Magic Kingdom. You can do the proposal right in front of the entrance of the castle or at the end of Main Street with the castle in the background. Either way, the moment is sure to be magical. If you're wanting other Disney landmarks to be included in your proposal, there's Animal Kingdom's Tree of Life, Epcot's Spaceship Earth, and Hollywood Studios' Chinese Theater. Or if you're really afraid of commitment, Tower of Terror. If you're unsure whether you should have the big moment in front of a landmark or not, perhaps you might want to consider what has the most meaning to your relationship. Do you both love Star Wars? Maybe proposing at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge would be perfect for you both. Maybe the Pixar movie Up. Oh, I love that movie. It holds a very special place in both of your hearts. A great way to incorporate your love for that would be at Animal Kingdom, doing the Wilderness Explorer interactive activity where you go throughout the park to collect your Wilderness Explorer badges. Maybe at the end, when you're getting the last badge, that would be the most magical way to pop your question. Maybe you or your significant other prefer to have things just a bit more subtle than proposing out in the open. Understandable. Maybe proposing at one of the amazing Disney restaurants would work best for you. Don't forget, you will need to make a reservation in advance for the restaurant, especially if it's one of the most sought after ones. Some Disney restaurants we highly recommend are California Grill at the Contemporary Resort, which has an amazing view of the Magic Kingdom, by the way. Be Our Guest at Magic Kingdom. Sci-Fi Dine-In at Hollywood Studios. It's basically like dining at a drive-in theater. Cinderella's Royal Table at Magic Kingdom. La Cantina at San Angel at Epcot. Beautiful Mexican restaurant. Sana at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Maybe you can catch giraffes or zebras from the window. Tomorrowland Terrace at Magic Kingdom during their dessert party for the fireworks, or even Tony's Town Square at Magic Kingdom, which is a Lady and the Tramp theme restaurant where Lady and the Tramp had their first kiss. Oh, how romantic. Another perfect place for a proposal, while still trying to keep it on the down low, would be during one of the Disney shows. Now, I'm not saying get on stage with them, but during Festival of the Lion King at Animal Kingdom, if you're feeling a little classic Disney with a hint of cheesy, during the scene where they sing, "Can you feel the love tonight?" Sing along during the lyrics, "No matter where you go, I will be there by your side," and then lean in towards your partner and whisper, "Will you marry me?" That's a good one too. Perfect place for a proposal for couples that love The Lion King. Maybe Beauty and the Beast is more your loved one's thing. Perfect. At Disney's Hollywood Studios, they have a Beauty and the Beast live on stage show. You and your person can go see. Just be sure to get there early to snag a good seat. If you're popping the question during the show, take that into consideration when choosing your seat. You might want an area to sit where it's going to be a little bit more secluded. Now, another thing you should definitely consider is there a specific ride or show or movie or character, anything that your partner enjoys more than anything? If there's a special area of the park that they love or represents something that they love, maybe this is the place to do that. You are the one that knows your relationship the most, so remember that. Now, I'm gonna give you a suggestion right now. If I were proposing right now, and if my girlfriend's watching, I'm not, no pressure, I'd go to Disney Springs. Go up on the balloon right when the fireworks are starting. And if you time it right, you propose, they say yes, boom, fireworks, you're welcome. If you're wanting some expert assistance in planning the engagement of a lifetime, we recommend reaching out to Disney's Fairy Tale Wedding Team to help plan. With their assistance, guests can have a horse-drawn carriage to Disney's Port Orleans Resort with a beautiful proposal spot in the garden gazebo. Or they have the classic glass slipper proposal at Cinderella's royal table, where the ring is presented in a glass slipper. Or have a lovely dessert boat cruise in the Seven Seas Lagoon during Magic Kingdom's fireworks and castle show. Disney's Fairy Tale Wedding Team is sure to make your proposal something that you will never forget. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've covered a lot of beautiful places along with ideas for that special Disney proposal book. What about gender reveals at Disney World? We're going to dive right into that now. And don't forget, you can use some of the same places we mentioned in the proposal section for gender reveals as well. Of course, you have the iconic landmarks of Disney. Doing a gender reveal in front of any of them and having a photographer capture the moment is perfect. If you're into character meet and greets, there's an option as well. Doing a gender reveal and getting the character to play along might be absolutely perfect. Just remember, this should only take a few minutes at most, and that there may be other guests in line waiting for you to wrap up. Perhaps you can ask the cast member assisting the character to be the last one up to help reduce any pressure you might feel from others in the line. Here's a suggestion. If you're going to do something like that where you're going to need the help of a cast member, maybe have a friend who knows what's going on and talk to them beforehand so that it's more of a surprise for both of you. Okay? An idea to help get prepared for a gender reveal at Disney is by visiting one of the merchandise stores. You can pick out 2 items between either baby clothes or plushies. Have the cast member only charge you for the one you're using for the gender reveal. There's also the option of same idea, but with Minnie and Mickey ears. You can even have them embroidered with the respective name if you'd like. This can help keep it a surprise until you have your big reveal. And now, for some tips on making your special moment unforgettable. For your big moment, we recommend Walt Disney World's Capture Your Moment. Capture Your Moment is a personalized 20-minute photo session Disney offers with one of their photographers. This will give you plenty of photos of either the big moment or a wonderful way to remember it. If you're wanting to visit more than one photo spot, we suggest booking 2 back-to-back sessions so you can visit at least 2 different Magic Kingdom photo locations. If you plan on reserving a Capture Your Moment time slot, be sure to do so early in advance because these tend to fill up quickly and you want to make sure that you have them reserved. Another option to really make this moment everything you could have ever wanted would be partnering with Disney meetings and events. By partnering with Disney meeting and events, guests can set up a time slot at the parks or any other Disney venue to celebrate with their guests. And maybe have the reveal during that time too. Now, if you're scheduling something like this, you'll definitely want to do that in advance. This way, you'll have plenty of time to plan and reach out to loved ones you want to share this moment with. On the Disney Meetings and Events webpage, guests can submit their information, and within 1 to 2 days, guests will have a representative reach out with more information to help design the perfect event for you. And while not technically a spot, we do have an honorable mention for those that are staying on site, either a Disney resort or a Good Neighbor hotel. There's a great way to continue celebrating back at your room. Go to Disney Floral and Gifts, the official florist of Walt Disney World Resort. Disney Floral and Gifts allows you to pre-arrange delivery of gift baskets, balloons, and flowers to the hotel or resort you're staying at. They have a wide selection of items guests can choose from, and they'll deliver it to the hotel so long as it's on site. Once it's been delivered to the hotel, guests can arrange with the front desk to have the items placed in the hotel room. We hope that these ideas and tips help make your moment magical. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thank you so much for watching. We hope you have a magical day. Bye-bye.